So we are here at the Delhi airport and our flight to Newark, New Jersey is late. It's delayed by 12 hours. So we'll have to take our bags and check out. So let's see the procedure for that as well. And let's see what is there now. Let's take a look at the airport. Please watch this video till the end so that you don't miss out on any important points. So Delhi airport is very huge and we have to walk a lot here. So let's take a look at the Delhi airport while we claim our baggage. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. So here is the map for the Delhi airport, nicely shown. And here is the display board. You'll find this at a lot of places. Very organized, very big airport. Okay, so after the baggage claim, now we are exiting the airport.
Passengers shall be
Hope you liked this video and found this informative and useful. So please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel.